Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix Wi-Fi problem in your Poco M7 5G smartphone and on any other Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If you are facing Wi-Fi related issues, as you can see, the Wi-Fi is enabled right now and it is searching for the nearest Wi-Fi connection. So click on this search button for the available, then click on any network you want to connect and type the password over here and click on connect. So it is connected successfully. If it is not connecting, just you have to do is click on search, right here reset Wi-Fi settings, enable the passcode, and you can see the Wi-Fi settings has been reset successfully. So there is no way of any other issue. You have to just long press your device and restart your device if still it is not working in your smartphone or any other issue in your earbud or speaker. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.